Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the issue when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on Realme C33. And to do this, first we'll need to launch our Google Play Store. Here try to find the game, but as you can see there's no real results, and to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate through the settings and family. Here scroll down and enter parental controls, go for apps and games, enter your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards and go back, locate the game again, and it should be right here on the top. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.